For centuries, the living organisms have been classified into two kingdoms, plants and animals. Plants can prepare their own food from simple inorganic material and store energy. So are autotrophs. While animals cannot synthesize their own food from simple inorganic material and depend on their food either on autotrophs or on decaying organic matter, so are called heterotrophs. Bacteria were included in the plants. Many biologists found this system satisfactory, while others found it unworkable for many unicellular organisms. Like euglena, that have both plant-like presence of chlorophyll and animal-like lack of cell wall characters. And also because it ignores the differences between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. In 1866, Ernest Haeckel proposed a third kingdom, Protista, to accommodate euglena-like organisms and bacteria. In 1937, Echatone suggested differentiating terms prokaryotic, pro meaning before, and karyon meaning nucleus, used to describe bacteria and blue-green algae. And the term eukaryotic, from Greek eu mean true, to describe animal and plant cells. Some biologists also disagree between the classification of fungi, such as bread mold, yeast, and mushrooms, which resemble plants in many ways but are not autotrophs. Fungi are a special form of heterotrophs that obtain energy and structural material by breaking down or decomposing and absorbing food substances from the surroundings, and possesses chitin, a major structural component in their cell walls. A relatively recent system of classification, the Five Kingdom system, was proposed by Robert Whittaker in 1969. This system of classification is based on three different levels of cellular organizations associated with three principal modes of nutrition: photosynthesis, absorption, and ingestion. The five kingdoms proposed. Number 1. The prokaryotic unicellular organisms, such as bacteria. Number 2. The eukaryotic predominantly unicellular organisms, such as euglena and amoeba. Number 3. The eukaryotic multicellular autotrophs, plantae. Number 4. The eukaryotic multicellular reducers, for example, mushrooms. Number 5. The eukaryotic multicellular consumers. Plants are autotrophic in nutritional mode, making their own food by photosynthesis, such as mosses, ferns, flowering plants. Fungi are heterotrophic organisms that are absorptive in their nutritional mode. Most fungi are decomposers that live on organic material, secrete digestive enzymes, and absorb small organic molecules, which are produced by digestion. Animals live mostly by ingesting food and digesting it within specialized cavities. They lack cellulose and show movements, for example, birds and reptiles. In five kingdom classification, all eukaryotes that did not fit in the definition of the plants, fungi, or animalia were included in Protista. But this kingdom also includes relatively simple multicellular organisms that are believed to be direct descendants of unicellular protists. Lynn Margulis and Carl Linnaeus in 1988 modified five kingdom classification of Whitaker by considering cellular organization, mode of nutrition, cytology, genetics, and organelles of symbiotic origin, mitochondria and chloroplast. These five kingdoms are prokaryote, or Monera, Protista, Plantae, Animalia, and fungi.